So dear students, Ajani NCERT exercise 3.3 problem fini solve point. Exercise 3.3 transpose of the matrix symmetric or skew symmetric matrices A part kita include there. Already solution set to 12 group of this two. Are there any important or difficult problems for discuss with? Our first problem to the first problem is going to say find the transpose of the following matrices. First one 5 half minus 1. Second one 1 minus 1 2 3. The third one is another matrix. If we have a solution of the let A equal to 5 half minus 1. আমি জানো যে মেট্ৰিক্স এটাৰ ট্ৰান্সপ'জ উলিয়াবলৈ হ'লে তাৰ ৰ আৰু কলম বিলাক ইন্টাৰফেস কৰিব লাগে and the transpose of the matrix is denoted by A dash. So for this problem A dash will be equal to 5 half minus 1. This is the first problem. Now the second one, let B equal to 1 minus 1 2 3. Interchange the rows and columns to get B dash. Therefore B dash equal to row columnবিলাক interchange কৰা. Yes sir. 1 minus 1 the first row হৈ আছে 2 3 2 second row হৈ আছে আমি B dash উলিয়াও 1 minus 1 the first column কৰি দিম 1 minus 1 will be the first column and 2 3 will be the second column. 3 number 12 को करे एरी लेसु C equal to minus 1 5 6 root 3 5 6 2 3 minus 1. C dash will be equal to first row that will minus 1 root 3 2 second row that will 5 5 3 third row that will 6 6 minus 1. So the answer your answer to hobo formally proceed koriba dhori loba let C equal to the given matrix that C dash will be equal to minus 1 root 3 2 5 5 3 and 6 6 minus 1. Simple. একেবাৰে সহজ ট্ৰান্সপ'জ উলিয়াবলৈ হ'লে ৰ আৰু কলম বিলাক ইন্টাৰচেঞ্জ কৰি দিলে হয়. Let's move to the next problem. Number 2. এবার দুটো ম্যাট্রিক্স দেয়া আছে A equal to minus 1 2 3 first row minus 1 2 3 second row को से 5 7 9 5 7 9 और third row minus 2 1 1 और B equal to first row minus 4 1 minus 5 1 2 0 and 1 3 1. You have to verify. So I'm going to verify korbo lage. First result A plus B whole dash equal to A dash plus B dash. It is a transposer as a property or second property as a verify korbo lage. The A minus B whole dash equal to A dash minus B dash. This is the problem. अब ये solution to the solution is For the first part, প্রথমত আমি লিখলাম a plus b. দেখি না given a equal to this, b equal to this. A plus b equal to উৎসৰ সৈতে মই মেট্ৰিক্সটা পাতি দিছো. -1 2 3 5 7 9 -2 1 1 plus B is the matrix -4 1 -5 1 2 0 1 3 1. In case of matrix addition, corresponding elements are added. Matrix addition or kept অনুরূপ মৌলবিলাক যোগ হয়. So -1 will be added to -4. -1 minus 4 is equal to -5. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. 3 plus -5 is 3 minus 5 -2. Second row, 5 plus 1 6. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 0 9. Elements of third row, -2 plus 1. -2 plus 1 is -1. 1 plus 3 4. 1 plus 1 1. প্রথমত আমি a plus b উলিয়াই দিম. এটা যদি ভেরিফিকেশন আছে তাহলে আমি লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইড চলে যাব. লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইড ইকুয়াল টু a plus b whole dash. A plus b row or column বিলাক ইন্টারচেঞ্জ কৰি দিয়া. -5 3 -2 6 9 9 -4 1 4 1 equal to yes -5 6 -1 will be the first row. -5 6 -1 first column হৈ আছে. yes first row হৈ যাব. 3 9 4 second column আছে. yes 3 9 4 will be the second row. আৰু -2 9 1 to third column আছে. yes -2 9 1 will be the third row. Then right hand side a dash plus b dash equal to a dash interchange the rows and columns of a matrix to row column interchange কৰা. গতিকে first row আহিব -1 5 -2 2 7 1 will come as second row. Our third row আহিব 3 9 1. ঠিক আছে স্যার. a আছে -1 2 3 -1 2 3 5 7 9 second row 5 7 9 second column -2 1 1 third row -2 1 1 third column plus b dash উলিয়াবৰ কাৰণে আমি b matrix to তাৰ row column interchange কৰিম. b matrix to element আছে -4 1 -5 1 2 0 1 3 1. What we do is that we interchange the rows and columns of b. আমি b row column বিলাক interchange কৰো. -4 1 1. That it is 1 2 3. -5 0 1 equals to corresponding elements are added. অনুরূপ মৌলবিলাক যোগ হ'ব. কি হ'ব স্যার? -1 plus -4. What is -1 plus -4? It's -5. 5 plus 1 6. -2 plus 1 -1. I repeat again. Corresponding elements are added. -1 plus -4 is -5. 5 plus 1 6. -2 plus 1 -1. Second row elements 2 plus 1 3. 7 plus 2 9. 1 plus 3 4. Third row elements 3 plus -5 -2. 9 plus 0 9. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. ঠিক আছে. A plus B को अपन आपको बोला था साइड से 1 plus 1 that's 32 no A plus B whole that's the final element 32 so ultimately what we get is that A plus B whole that's equal to A dash plus B dash left hand side equal to the right hand side therefore left hand side equals to the right hand side again one second part of verification kori pelaba A minus B whole dash equal to A dash minus B dash first A minus B liya next left hand side la iba A minus B whole dash tarpor right hand side la iba A dash minus B dash and you will get that A minus B whole dash is equal to A dash minus B dash clear okay अभी प्रैक्टिस और प्रॉब्लम ले जाऊं एक बार थर्ड प्रॉब्लम A dash is given A dash is given to be 3 4 minus 1 2 or 0 1 and then B is given to be minus 1 2 1 then this 1 2 3 अब question A is equal to 3 4 minus 1 2 0 1 and B is equal to minus 1 2 1 first row 1 2 3 the second row and we have to verify the results like the last problem A plus B whole dash equal to A dash plus B dash and A minus B whole dash equal to A dash minus B dash last problem to जितना क्या verify करबो লাগে এতিয়া ইয়াত কি A dash দিয়া আছে solution A dash equal to 3 4 minus 1 2 0 1 therefore যেনেকে A dash উলিয়াবলৈ হলে আমি A ৰ আৰু কলম বিলাক ইন্টাৰচেঞ্জ কৰো ঠিক তেনেকৈ A dash ৰ ৰ আৰু কলম বিলাক ইন্টাৰচেঞ্জ কৰিলে আমি A matrix টো পাম কিহৰ কাৰণে কাৰণ আমি matrix ৰ এটা property জানো transpose of A dash whole dash equal to A so what we do ইয়াত আমি কি কৰিম we interchange the rows and columns of A dash ৰ আমি row column interchange কৰিম তেতিয়া আমি পাম যে A equal to first row আহিব 3 minus 1 0 second row আহিব 4 2 1 this is A next এটা আমি ডাইৰেক্ট লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইডে যাব পাৰো বা B আৰু B dash উলিয়াই লব পাৰো মই ফাৰ্স্ট প্ৰবলেমটো লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইডলে ডাইৰেক্ট কৈছো নাম্বাৰ 1 left hand side equal to A plus B whole dash upon our procedure to apply A plus B whole dash equal to এটা A plus B to মই মুখতে ক্যালকুলেট কৰিম A plus B is 3 plus minus 1 3 plus minus 1 is 3 plus minus 1 2 minus 1 plus 2 1 0 plus 1 1 second row element বিলাক add কৰা 4 2 1 4 plus 1 5 2 plus 2 4 and 1 plus 3 4 whole dash যেতিয়া আমি A plus B whole dash দিম তেতিয়া হলে কি হ'ব rows and columns of A plus B will be interchanged equal to অকমান এই নোটেশনটো শিকিবৰ কাৰণে প্ৰবলেমটো মই এনেধৰণে কৰিছো গোটেই মেট্ৰিক্সটো দি তাৰ ওপৰত ড্যাশ চিহ্ন দিলেও হয় and this will be equal to first rows কি আহিব it will be 2, 5 in the first row, 1, 4 in the second row, again 1, 4 in the second row. Sorry, third row. Ever right hand side, right hand side is A dash plus B dash. Put the respective values. A dash. A row column interface for it. You'll get A dash as 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. Also, A dash to B dash, A dash equal to 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. Plus B dash दिया नहीं, B दिया है, B dash to लेवल है, B row column interface for it. What will you get? First row I go minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1. Second row I go 2, 2. Our third row I go 1, 3. Again process. Corresponding elements are added. 3 plus minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 4 plus 1 is 5. Second row elements. Minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. 2 plus 2, 4. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 3, 4. So all of the confusion is that the left hand side equal to the right hand side. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay? একে ফোন আগবাঢ়ি তোমালোকে a minus b whole dash equal to a dash minus b dash এই property to verify কৰিব পাৰিবা first a minus b লৈ লবা a minus then a minus b whole dash separately a dash minus b dash you will find that a minus b whole dash equal to a dash minus b dash. So second part I did for you. এতিয়া আমি পিছৰ পৰ্যায়লৈ যাম. Problem 4. Yeah, there a dash equal to a dash equal to minus 2, 3, then 1, 2, and b equal to minus 1, 0, again 1, 2. We have to find a plus twice b whole dash. Solution. A is equal to minus 2, 3, 1, 2. Therefore, A equal to. I will also like a transpose of the transposable matrix of the matrix itself. A is equal to a co-transpose now. That will be A matrix to come. But also I will say that the A is the row column interface for A matrix to come. So A will be equal to minus 2, 1, 3, 2. Therefore, A plus twice B, B already given, equal to A is minus 2, 1, 3, 2 plus twice B. All the elements of the matrix B will be multiplied by 2. B will be matrix of 0.6 elements will be multiplied by. What will be twice B then? Twice B will be equal to minus 2, 0, 2, 4. So what is the value of A plus twice B? Corresponding elements are added. Minus 2, minus 2. minus 2 plus minus 2 is minus 4. 1 plus 0, 1. Next is 3 plus 2, 5. Finally it is 2 plus 4, 6. अभी first a plus twice 3 दिया है तार पर तो अभी दिया है a plus twice 3 whole there. Therefore a plus twice 3 whole there equal to interchange the rows and columns of a plus twice 3. A plus twice 3 matrix should row or column will interchange for it. You will get it as minus 4, 5 in the first row and 1, 6 in the second row. So the final answer is minus 4, 5, 1, 6. ठीक है सर? Next one. Pass over problem list. Do the parts. First to there. A equals to 1 minus 4, 3. B equals to 1, 2, 1. And we have to verify that AB whole dash equal to B dash A dash. Already you have come to know that it is one of the important properties of transpose of the matrix. For any two matrices A and B conformable for multiplication, AB whole dash is equal to B dash A dash. এতিয়া প্রথমবার সলিউশন AB উলিয়াই সলিউশন we determine AB at first. AB equal to 1 minus 4, 3 into minus 1, 2, 1. Matrix multiplication. First this one, order given, it is of order 3 to 1. And the second is of order 1 into 3. First matrix to order with 3 into 1. Second matrix to order with 1 into 3. Number of columns is the first one, 1. Number of rows is the second one, 1. So matrix multiplication is possible and our resultant matrix will be of order 3 into 3. Boy, order is that? Mohari disu aru etia AB matrix to dia bola parichu. AB equal to simple multiplication this side. First row, first column. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. First row, second column. First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. First row, second column. All eta element eta ko multiply kore hoy. 1 into 2, 2. First row, third column. 1 into 1, 1. First row multiplication over. Second row, first column, minus 4 into minus 1, plus 4. Second row, second column, minus 4 into 2, minus 8. Second row, third column, minus 4 into 1, minus 4. Second row multiplication over. Start with third row now. Third row, first column, 3 into minus 1, minus 3. First row, second column, 3 into 2, 6. Third row, first column, 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Third row, second column, 3 into 2, 6. Third row, third column, 3 into 1, 3. Okay, AB will left hand side to left hand side equal to AB whole dash equals to interchange the rows and columns of AB. अब इसे AB matrix पाए तो AB row column मिला interchange कर देगा. -1, 2, 1, 4, -8, -4, -3, 6, 3. Interchange its rows and columns to get it as -1, 4, minus 3. First row আহিব, second row আহিব 2 minus 8 6 আৰু third row আহিব 1 minus 4 3. AB whole dash. Come to the right hand side. Right hand side equal to B dash A dash equal to what will be that insert in the rows and columns for B. It will be minus 1 2 1. A dash is 1 minus 4 3 equal to first to order whole 3 into 1, second to order whole 1 into 3. So the resultant matrix will be of order 3 into 3. Number of columns in the first one is 1, number of rows in the second one is 1. So multiplication is possible, and the order of the resultant matrix will be equal to 3 into 3. Eta multiplication for first row first column will eta element multiply koriya hol minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4 minus 1 into 3 minus 3. First row multiplication over. Second row now 2 into 1 2 2 into minus 4 minus 8 2 into 3 6. Now second row first column, second row second column, second row third column. Now start with third row. 1 into 1 1 1 into minus 4 minus 4 1 into 3 3. Now look at the left hand side and right hand side. AB whole dash together minus 1 4 minus 3 2 minus 8 6 and 1 minus 4 3. And in B dash also you get the same elements. Hence left hand side equal to right hand side. So by this problem, the important property of transpose AB whole dash equal to B dash A dash, this is being verified. Left hand side equal to right hand side, so AB whole dash equal to B dash A dash. This here problem 5 or second part একের ধরনে দুটা ম্যাট্রিক্স রয়েছে আর কি অর্ডার একই করে দিতে। The first one is A equal to 0 1 2 and the second one is B equal to 1 5 7. You have to verify that AB whole dash equal to B dash A dash. As the problem is similar to the first part of the key, so I leave it for you. It was one part problem to A. Here, अब इट आपने इसमें problem से लेना problem 6. First one, A is a matrix cos alpha sin alpha, cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha again cos alpha. And you have to verify that A dash A equal to I. What is I? I is the unit matrix of second order 1 0 0 1. Come to the solution part now. Left hand side equal to A dash A. Why is this for? I'm going to get on it. Direct left hand side copy I equal to for A dash. You state the rows and columns of A. A row column interchange kora cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. So cos alpha minus sin alpha to first row hobo and sin alpha cos alpha will be the second row. Sin alpha cos alpha will be the second row. A cos alpha sin alpha again minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now start performing matrix multiplication. First row with first column. Do you like 2 into 2 matrix? First one is of order 2 into 2. Second one is also of order 2 into 2. So the resultant matrix will be of order 2 into 2. First row, first column. First row, first column. Cos alpha into cos alpha is cos square alpha. And minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha is plus sin square alpha. Next one is first row with second column. Cos alpha into sin alpha is cos alpha sin alpha. Minus sin alpha into cos alpha is minus sin alpha cos alpha. First row multiplication is over. Now start with second row now. Second row first column. Sin alpha into cos alpha is sin alpha cos alpha. Second row second column. Sorry, second row first column still not complete. Sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha. Sin alpha into cos alpha plus cos alpha into minus sin alpha is minus sin alpha cos alpha. Second row second column now. Sin alpha into sin alpha is sin square alpha. And cos alpha into cos alpha is plus cos square alpha. Here it is equal to 1 cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha cancel. 0 sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha cancel. 0 1. And that is equal to that right hand side. Why? As A let's say equal 1 0 0 1 equals to the unit matrix of second order I equal to the right hand side. Okay? A let's say equal to I put koribo lage A let's ulai lolu A let's into A double matrix multiplication perform koribo. Finally we are getting the result as 1 0 0 1 as cos square alpha plus sin square alpha or sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. It is well known trigonometric identity 1. Or 1 0 0 1 it is the unit matrix of second order I. Here to 6 or second problem asile. Problem to ek dhoroner moi tomalok eri dim. Ebar A equal to this. First row ase sin alpha cos alpha. Or second row ase minus cos alpha sin alpha. And we have to verify that A dash A equal to I. I leave this problem for you. Now, next problem, number 7. The problem states that so that 1 minus 1 5 1 minus 1 5 then second row minus 1 2 1 minus 1 2 1 और third row ase 5 1 3 is symmetric matrix. Simply this is symmetric. Is a matrix symmetric, right? A square matrix is said to be symmetric if A equal to A dash. যেতিয়া মেট্ৰিক্স এটা ট্ৰান্সপোজৰ সৈতে ইকুৱেল হয় তেতিয়াহ'লে মেট্ৰিক্সটো সিমেট্ৰিক মেট্ৰিক্স বুলি কোৱা হয়। Go to the solution. Let A equal to 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3. Therefore A is equal to insert with the rows and columns. Yes, 1 minus 1 5 2. First column को ऐसा होगा first row तो लिखिए 1 minus 1 5. First row तो लिखिए तो ये first column तो लिखा है। Second row तो लिखिए तो ये second column तो लिखा है minus 1 2 1. और third row will be equal to third column 5 1 3. Start with it और check with it whether the matrices A and A dash are equal or not. A is equal to 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3, which is right. The second part of problem 7 is so that the matrix A equal to 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0 is skew symmetric. এতিয়া square matrix এটা কেতিয়া skew symmetric বুলি কোৱা হয় যেতিয়া A equal to minus A dash হয়। Here A is given to be 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0. Therefore, first we determine A dash. Equal to rows and columns of A are being interchanged to determine A dash. First row I go 0 minus 1 1. Second row I go 1 0 minus 1. Or third row I go minus 1 1 0. Therefore, minus A dash. যেতিয়া আমি minus A dash উলিয়াম A dash ৰ প্ৰত্যেকটো এলিমেন্টৰ সাইন বিলাক সলনি হৈ যাব। First row element কেইটা হ'ব 0 1 minus 1. Second row element will be minus 1 0 1, and the third row element will be 1 minus 1 0. Now look at the matrices minus A dash and A. Are they identical or not? 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0. Therefore A equal to minus A dash. As A equal to minus A dash, and hence the conclusion is that A is skew symmetric. Square matrix eta skew symmetric hoy jetia A equal to minus A dash hoy. Hereas A equal to minus A dash, therefore the matrix is a skew symmetric one. আমি তাৰ পিছৰ প্ৰবলেমবিলাক as the problems are comparatively easy অংকবিলাক যেনে তুলনামূলকভাৱে সহজ গতিকে আমি অকমান ফাষ্ট কৈছো 8 নম্বৰ কোৱেশ্চনটো কৈছে এটা মেট্ৰিক্স দিয়া আছে A equal to 1 5 6 7 1 5 6 7, and you have to verify. You have to verify that. First part, A plus A dash is symmetric. And second part is that A minus A dash is skew symmetric. A plus A dash is symmetric and A minus A dash is skew symmetric. এটো এটা কথা কৈ লও যে যিকোনো স্কয়াৰ মেট্ৰিক্স এ কাৰণে সদায় কিন্তু a plus a raised to symmetric হয় আৰু a minus a raised to q symmetric হয় এতিয়া প্ৰথমতে আমি part 1 let p equal to a plus a dash अब a plus a dash जो sum है p বুলি থাকে so p equal to a plus a dash equals to put the values of a and a dash a is 1 5 6 7 plus a dash is enters in the rows and columns 1 6 5 7 is it okay so far 1 5 6 7 plus 1 6 5 7 and that's equal to corresponding elements are added 2 11 11 14 this is p therefore p dash equal to and we p matrix to follow p row column insertions for us to get p dash equal to 2 11 first column to first row hoy gol second column to second row hoy jabo 11 14 গতিকে a matrix to that p আৰু p dash দুটা একেই হলে 2 11 11 14 that also equal to 2 11 11 14 therefore p equal to p dash p equal to p dash hence p is symmetric but what is p p is p p is none other than the matrix a plus a dash as the matrix p is symmetric I mean p equal to a plus a dash fully ধৰি লৈছো therefore p is symmetric means a plus a dash is a symmetric matrix p is symmetric means a plus a dash is symmetric এতিয়া আকৌ কৈছো p equal to a plus a dash পালে উলিয়ালো p dash উলিয়ালো দেখিলো যে p equal to p dash hence p is a symmetric matrix as p is symmetric therefore a plus a dash is also symmetric এতিয়া এটা কাম কৰো সেকেন্ড পাৰ্টৰ কাৰণে মই a minus a dash is q symmetric এটো দেখাব লাগে a minus a dash is q symmetric p5 boy matrix to q next q equal to a plus a dash or a minus a dash so what happens this time corresponding elements are subtracted 1 minus 1 0 5 minus 6 minus 1 6 minus 5 1 7 minus 7 0 that is q after q we find q dash equal to interchange the rows and columns 0 1 first column hoye ase 0 1 first row hoye gol minus 1 0 second column hoye ase minus 1 0 second row hoye gol etia hole hobe minus q dash মানে q dash প্ৰত্যেকটো এলিমেন্টৰ সাইনটা সলনি কৰি পেলাব 0 to child place কৰিলে 0 হ'ব 1 will become minus 1 this minus 1 will become 1 and 0 will remain as q I repeat to find minus q dash change the sign of each and every element of q dash into 0 minus 1 1 0 therefore q equal to minus q dash and when a matrix is equal to the negative of its transpose it is called q symmetric q equal to minus q dash mane yeah q dash or q equal to minus q dash therefore q is symmetric q is a q symmetric matrix that is what is q key Q is none other than A minus A dash. Hence, A minus A dash is Q symmetric. The square matrix A by A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix, or A minus A dash is a Q symmetric matrix. Here so square matrix so much दिया है और केवल help में अभी देखो तो A plus A dash to symmetric हो और A minus A dash to Q symmetric. Next two problems left or two problem बाकी है. Excluding the MCQs, multiple choice के बाद भी अभी law number problem ले लेता हूँ. Number 9. Here A is given to be A का third order square matrix दिया है. A is given to be first row of है 0 A P. Second row of है minus A 0 C. Third row minus P 0. Here you have to find half of A plus A dash and half of A minus A dash. तो अब बोलिए वो कैसे है? Half of A plus A dash और half of A minus A. अब इसको क्या करो? First of all, A plus A dash. A plus A dash equal to A is the matrix 0 A B minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0 plus A dash is 0 minus A minus B. A 0 minus C and B C 0. What we have done? That we have inserted the rows and columns. 0 AB first row, yes 0 AB first column. Minus A 0 C second row, yes minus A 0 C second column. Minus B minus C 0 third row, yes minus B minus C 0 third column. Equal to, as it is matrix addition, 0 plus 0 0, A plus minus A 0, B plus minus B 0, minus A plus A 0, 0 plus 0 0, C plus minus C 0, minus B plus C 0, minus C plus C 0, 0 plus 0 0. Therefore, half of A plus A dash. A plus A dash or प्रत्येक एलिमेंट of 2 रे डिवाइड कर दिया. तो आपको हाफ of है. Divide the every element of A plus A dash by 2. It will be 0 by 2, 0 by 2, 0 by 2. Ultimately, all the elements will be 0. प्रत्येक एलिमेंट is 0 होगा. 0 0 0. All the elements will remain as 0. प्रत्येक एलिमेंट is 0 होगा. Which can be written as an R matrix. The first part over, half of A plus A dash is equal to the null matrix. And the second part बाकी है. अब आप आगे ये बोले कैसे? Half of A minus A dash. First of A minus A dash ले लो. Yes, मानो से जो minus कोई नहीं सु. Corresponding elements get subtracted. अनुरूप बोलो बिना कि बार minus हो. Each and every element प्रत्येक element है बारे में size of first one 0 minus 0 0. A minus minus A twice A, B minus minus B twice B, minus A minus A is minus twice A, 0 minus 0 0, C minus minus C is twice C, minus B is minus twice C, minus C is again minus twice C, and 0 minus 0 is 0. Minus P minus C minus sorry, this is minus P is minus twice P. Upper one, is the right element 0 minus 0 0, a minus minus a twice a, b minus minus b, c plus p twice p, minus a minus twice a, 0 minus 0 0, c minus minus c is plus twice c, minus p minus twice c, minus c minus twice c, 0 minus 0 0. Therefore, half of a minus a dash, half of a minus a dash equal to a minus a dash or প্রত্যেকটো এলিমেন্ট 2 রে ডিভাইড হয়ে যাবে। First one will be 0 a b, move to the second row, minus a 0 c, then come to the third row, minus twice b by 2 is minus b minus twice b by 2 minus c 0. This is half of a minus a dash. First of a minus a dash to the और a minus a dash और प्रत्येक एलिमेंट of 2 रे डिवाइड करके अभी half of a minus a dash पालो हुए 0 a b minus a 0 c minus b minus c k. ठीक है सर? Come to the last problem for today. दोनों को प्रश्न मैं just पढ़ी दिसु. Express the following matrices as sum of one symmetric and one skew symmetric matrix. चलो किसान मैट्रिक्स दिया है और मैट्रिक्स बिलाকক আমি এক্সপ্রেস কৰিব লাগে as the sum of one symmetric matrix and one skew symmetric matrix. এটা symmetric matrix আৰু এটা skew symmetric matrix or sum হিসাবে যোগফল হিসাবে আমি হতো এক্সপ্রেস কৰিব লাগে। First 3 5 1 minus 1 আকৌ কৈছো এই ম্যাট্ৰিক্সটো আমি এক্সপ্ৰেস কৰিব লাগে as the sum of one symmetric and one skew symmetric matrix. এতিয়া এটা কথা আমি কৈ লৈছো যে যিকোনো এটা স্কয়াৰ ম্যাট্ৰিক্স A এর কারণে A plus A dash to এটা symmetric matrix হয় আৰু A minus A dash ই এটা skew symmetric matrix হয়। For any square matrix A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Yet one solution, let A equal to 3 5 1 minus 1 3 5 1 minus 1. A dash equal to 3 1 5 minus 1. এতিয়া আমি দুটা ম্যাট্ৰিক্স উলিয়াম। প্ৰথমতে উলিয়াম মই A plus A dash equal to 3 5 1 minus 1 plus 3 1 5 minus 1 equal to 6 3 plus 3 6 5 plus 1 6 1 plus 5 6 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. This is A plus A dash. Next volume A minus A dash equal to 3 5 1 minus 1 minus 3 1 5 minus 1 equal to, this time corresponding elements are subtracted. 3 minus 3 5 minus 1 1 minus 5 and minus 1 minus 1 3 minus 3 is 0 5 minus 1 4 1 minus 5 minus 4 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 sorry minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 that's equal to 0. এতিয়া আমি জানো যে any square matrix A can be expressed as A equal to half of A plus A dash plus half of A minus A. Simple algebra. Calculate for the half of A plus A dash plus half of A minus A dash will be equal to the matrix A. That is half of A plus A dash. So A plus A dash will be equal to A plus A dash. A plus A dash is 6, 6, 6 minus 2. Here half law that project element to divide 3, 3, 3 minus 1 plus আমি A minus A dash will be 0, 4 minus 4 0. তার প্রত্যেকটি এলিমেন্ট 2 রে ডিভাইড করা কি পাম we will get 0 2 minus 2 0 ঠিক আছে এতিয়া corresponding এলিমেন্ট যেটা অ্যাড করে তারপর আমি A পাবেন about 3 plus 0 3 3 plus 2 5 3 plus minus 2 that's 1 and minus 1 plus 0 is equal to minus 1 along with the 3 3 3 minus 1 that is a symmetric matrix it will start transpose of its equal or 0 2 minus 2 0 is a skew symmetric matrix which is equal to the sum of one symmetric complete and one and again hence is equal to the sum of one symmetric and one skew symmetric complete skew symmetric matrix. Which is symmetric? The first part is symmetric. Half of A plus A dash is symmetric, and this is skew symmetric. Half of A minus A dash, the second part is skew symmetric. बाकी केटा प्रॉब्लम है कि fourth problem to second order আছে কেলা দেখাই পড়িবা fourth one is the second order one 1 5 minus 1 2 you have to express it as the sum of one symmetric and one skew symmetric matrix proceed as number 1 x mode is so nisina koi agbahiba A plus A dash uliaba A minus A dash uliaba and finally express A as half of A plus A dash plus half of A minus A dash बाकी 2 और 3 केटा एके प्रॉब्लम खाली थर्ड ऑर्डर আছে এতে মধ্যে গ্রুপত প্রবলেম খিনি সলভ কৰি দিয়া হৈছে try to do this 3 sums 2 3 4 by itself so this exercise is being finished আজিলৈ মানে regular practice অব্যাহত ৰাখিবা lockdown is being extended for another 2 weeks আৰু দুসপ্তাহ lockdown বঢ়াই দিয়া হৈছে এই সময়খিনি properly utilize কৰিবা that is my appeal to you অনুৰোধ তোমালোকলৈ আজিলৈ মানে শুভৰাত্ৰি